Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm super duper excited to be filming yet another video. This video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. As you guys know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Like literally it's gonna be here in what, 2 weeks, probably less than that week, in a few days. But anyway, I know you guys are super duper excited. I know there are going to be a lot of date nights, and a lot of you girls are going to be looking for some fresh ideas to do your makeup on that very special night. So here's just a pink glitter smoky type eye for you guys, and I paired it with a pink lipstick and put a gloss on it just to give it a nice little, you know, shiny lip for Valentine's Day. I usually don't go with the gloss, but I was like, you know what, I'm putting on this pink. I said I'm gonna put some lip gloss on it just to give it a, you know, a little extra shine. But anyway, guys, I know it probably looks like, you know, I don't have on no shirt, but this is an off the shoulder top. It's like I don't want them to think I'm on YouTube naked. But anyway, you guys, yeah, so this will just give you guys just a nice idea, you know, if you're looking for something super smoky and with a little glitter. This pink glitter smoky eye is definitely one that you should definitely try. So yeah, go ahead, find you a nice pretty sexy dress, beat that face, throw on a wig, and just have you a fun night. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'm so glad I can finally sit down and do an introduction, because in my last video I was sitting in a car, and I know you guys are like, what in the world is she doing? But yeah, I'm just so glad I can just finally sit down, you know, and give you guys an introduction. I'm new to YouTube, and I would love for you guys to thumbs up this video, share it, like, comment, and subscribe. Any feedback is accepted. I do want this to be a positive channel. However, I know the world that we live in, and a lot of people just have to bring negativity, but let's let the positive outweigh the negative here. I'm a very positive, chill vibes person, so let's let those positive comments flowing. We're gonna block out all the negativity. It's 2018, good vibes only. Life is too short to be anything but happy. I hope you guys truly enjoy the videos that I post on this channel. They aren't only going to be makeup tutorials, but I'll do some vlogging. I'll do some health and fitness things, because I am on a weight loss journey. So I definitely would love to do a video on that, to just show you guys some of the things that I've been doing when I'm in the gym exercising, the amount of water I drink, just food choices, diet plans, anything that you guys, you know, want to see. Just let me know in the comments below. But yeah, make sure you show your girl some love. Just hope that you guys will really support something that I'm very passionate about doing. Makeup is something that I'm super duper passionate about. So yeah, without further ado, if you would like to see how I got this look, then of course continue to watch. And one more thing, the lipstick portion of this video did get cut off, so I'm going to tell you guys now what I did use. I used a combination of MAC's Candy Yum Yum, and I also used this Hard Candy lip gloss serum, and I don't remember the exact name of it, but it was a light pinkish lip gloss, and I just put that on top of Candy Yum Yum. I didn't put like a full lip. I just kind of dabbed the Candy Yum Yum lipstick on my lips first, because I didn't want it to be like a bold pink. I just wanted it to be like a shiny lip with a hint of pink just peeking through. So just to go ahead and let you guys know, because the it did stop recording at that part. But this time for real, y'all. I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how I did this. All right, if you want to see how I got this look and how I beat this face, then continue to watch. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into this video. I've already applied my foundation, and I used the MAC's Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC45. Here I'm just using some concealer. I'm highlighting, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I use the shade medium. So this is one of my holy grail concealers, you guys. It's my go-to. Like, I love this concealer. It's my favorite. I haven't found anyone that I've loved more than Shape Tape, but I'm definitely willing to try more. But right now, this is just what I pull for always because I just love it so much. Alright, I'm going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and I'm taking it and I'm just blending out that concealer, making sure that there are no harsh lines and no lines of demarcation on my skin. So I'm just going to make sure I blend that out really, really well. And then next I'm going to go in with this Hard Candy setting powder. This stuff it works pretty well. I'm definitely on the market looking for a new setting powder, but it works for the time being, and I'm just putting it everywhere that I applied concealer. Today I'm not really going to bake. I usually bake and let that just sit on my face for a bit, but today I just decided, you know what, I'm just going to work, going out for a little bit, so it's like we ain't gonna bake today. But I am going to apply a little bit more underneath my eyes because that's an area where I tend to get the most shiny. No matter how long I'm wearing my makeup, where I go, I always get oily underneath my eyes and in my nose. It's just an area that just attracts shine. It's just oily right there. It's just oily. All right, next I'm going to take, this is an LA Girl powder. I'm not 100% sure what the name of it is, but I just picked up a powder from my local beauty supply store. And I found one that was close in color to my skin complexion. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And I'm just setting the rest of my face, locking in that foundation, making sure it's good and locked in. Next, I'm going in with this fluffy brush, and I'm going to knock that setting powder off and underneath my eyes. And then after I knock that off, I'm going to go in with another LA Girl Pro powder. And this powder is a couple of shades lighter than my skin tone. I'm using it just to bring back some brightness underneath my eyes because I really like for my under eye area to be a tad bit more bright and just brought out, you know. You guys know what I'm saying. Next, I'm going to go in and contour, and I'm using this Black Radiance powder. It's not a contour powder. It's just a regular finishing powder, but it's in a darker shade. I love this powder so much. Like, I feel like it just gives me just the best contour. It does look a little dark on my phone, but it's not like too dark. It is kind of like a milk chocolatey color. I know a lot of girls in my skin complexion probably went out for a powder this dark, but it's just what I like to use. It carves out my face just the way I like it. So, you know, hey, you use what you do. Next, I'm going to go in. I'm going to use that same powder, and I'm going to contour my nose because I have a huge nose, and this honker, like, it has to be contoured. Like, it's just, it takes on a life of itself on my face if I don't contour it. But I'm just taking that same powder, and I'm just contouring, and I'm just cleaning up around the contour just to make that nose look snatched and chiseled. Because I have a huge face anyway, so I got to make this big rounded face, you know. I got to get some shape into it. Alright, next I'm going to go in with some blush, and I'm taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay, and it's in the shade Party. Alright, here next you'll see me doing a little bit of highlighting. I don't highlight all the time because I don't feel like it's a necessary step for me. I just haven't really gotten into like highlighting that much, but maybe you guys can recommend some highlighters that I may like. But I just haven't found a highlighter that I'm like, dang, like, ooh, you know, like some people just, you know, have to highlight their face and they love the glow. Like, I'm just that type of person that I don't have to highlight. But if I'm making a video, like, I do use a highlighter, but I just haven't found one that I love. I do use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Some of the time I like that pretty well, but I just feel like it's just too much gold coming out of, like, it's just, a little bit much for me. Like, I don't know, I'm just not with the glow team. But maybe you guys can recommend some highlighters that I may like. I don't know, it's just my face is already, like, you know, into oil, on the oily side, so I don't like really too much of anything that's gonna make my face look goldy and shiny. So I like a matte face. But anywho, make sure you drop those recommendations down there. Alright, you guys know I'm just going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This has been one of my favorite palettes to grab for, especially since we've been in the warmer months, the colder months. Y'all, I'm ready for summer. B-Day in summer, #Leo. So I'm thinking about summer, y'all. I'm just really thinking about summer. But anywho, so first I used a combination of burnt orange and sienna, and I buffed that into my crease. I used both of those shadows as a transition shade for me. And then I went in with Love Letter and Regard. I think I'm saying that right. I used a combination of both of those eyeshadows, and I just took those and layered them on top of burnt orange and sienna. And here you just see me just blending those shadows out, making sure there are no harsh lines and no lines of demarcation. Blending is key. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the shade Red Ochre, and I'm just taking that and I'm making a V into the outer area of my eye. And I'm going to do that for both sides, followed up with Fudge. I'm just going to give my outer V area just a little bit more definition and a little bit more, you know, smokiness, because this is kind of a smoky eye, a pinky, glittery, cranberry, smoky eye, if you will. And then I'm just going in and I'm just blending that out once again. Alright, oh gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry that you can't really see this part. But here, I'm just taking the glitter adhesive. I'm preparing for the glitter. And I'm using this Too Faced glitter. It's a pink glitter. I got it in a set over the holidays. It had like a pink, a black, a whitish, and a goldish glitter. So it's all in a little Too Faced glitter set from Sephora. But I definitely make sure I let you guys know the name of that glitter. It's just a pretty pink glitter, and I love it so much. And when I was looking through my makeup, I was like, oh my god, this glitter would be absolutely so perfect for Valentine's Day. Like, this may be a look that I do on Valentine's Day. I just love this glitter. Like, it's just so pretty. So I'm taking that and I'm just putting it on my eyes, you know. I'm just trying to give my eyes little bit of pop and sparkle here. Alright, next I'm taking some liquid eyeliner just to give my eye just a little bit of a wing, and just defining that line a little bit. Next I'm going underneath my lower lash line, and I'm applying a mix of Red Ochre and Fudge underneath my bottom lash line. Alright, you guys, so some of the footage did get cut off. So I was going to apply lashes, but we had a lash malfunction. I purchased some Wet n Wild lashes from Walmart. So I wanted just to see, you know, how they were. I really wanted to try to find some drugstore lashes, so didn't quite work out. But anywho, I'm just applying some mascara here since that didn't work out. And the rest of the footage unfortunately did cut off. But you guys, I did include a picture at the end, and here is the finished look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure to keep watching for more.